2 months ago, I got an opportunity to enjoy the hospitality of this beautiful Virgin Atlantic clubhouse at London Heathrow, and again I got this opportunity. During first time I uploaded a short video that got quite popular. I thought I can provide some details. The lounge is very beautiful, spacious, nicely arranged, welcoming, and the staff is also very courteous. What I like about this lounge is wide variety of seating, different kind of relaxing positions. You can see the swings here, you can see a regular seating with a sofa, you can see the recliners, and you can see complete bed where you can completely rest. It's very spacious, as I said, very decorative with a lot of varied architectural and aesthetic sense, and you can see treadmills here where actually you can give some work to your legs and relax. Here this gentleman is enjoying that one. What I will be showing is various aspects of this lounge, so please enjoy the journey with me. Here there are some desks where you can use your laptops, nice lobbies, right? Here is a restaurant kind of sitting where you can enjoy your meals. Aesthetically also it is beautiful. Here are some chairs for relaxing, so you can just go and quietly relax into those cubes. Very spacious. Right now I'm going upstairs, which I didn't went last time, and here you can see some gaming area where you can go and relax. This nice great TVs, relaxing, and this is an outside view. What I noticed is way to garden, and I got curious that what can people do in the winter here in the garden. So I just went there, and you know what, even though this was Christmas Eve, it was quite warm and enjoyable, right? With a nice view of outside plains and just relaxing. What I like is the way we can order food from here, right? There is a barcode on each table, so contactless kind of a food serving. You don't need to go to the buffet area to get your food. Scan it, it will open a website where there are different sections for different kind of foods, drinks, and other stuffs. Within different sections there are subsections, and there are each of the item clearly marked with the ingredients. Simply just need to go and choose, right, whatever you want, the quantity, right, you can add to the cart, right, and finally when you check out, right, after adding all the items, it will generate the order number, and based on that order, I noticed that most of the time the food gets to your table within few minutes depending on what you have ordered. The staff is very courteous, right, very helpful. You can ask any questions, they are always smiling and really welcoming. I mean, as a frequent traveler, I have traveled across the globe, have enjoyed different clubhouses. However, this one I would consider the best I have ever seen. Really, really worth visiting. Thanks very much Virgin Atlantic and Delta for keeping such a great clubhouse, and that too with a staff that I admire a lot. Obviously we ordered different foods. Our stay was 6 hours, so obviously during that time we had got lunch and breakfast. So menu for each of that is different, and the food what we got was delicious, nicely made, so really worth every penny of having membership to this club. I'm just browsing through different menu sections to show you glimpse of what is available so that you can prepare for your trip. As you see, there are lots of varieties in each section. Again, as I said, that during lunch And breakfast, there were different items, and I believe that for dinner too they might have lots of varieties. Thanks very much for watching. I enjoyed it a lot, and I hope you will also enjoy it. Have a nice day. Bye.